In this video, we will show that the inverse of f of x is equal to 2x is f inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2x, and the inverse of f of x is equal to x cube is f inverse of x is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. In one of the previous videos, which was on inverse functions, we have studied that if f composition f inverse of x is equal to x, then f inverse is inverse of the outer function f, and if f inverse f of x is equal to x, then again the inner function f of x is inverse of the outer function. Now we will use this concept to prove that 1 by 2x is inverse of 2x and x raised to power 1 by 3 is inverse of x cube. Now consider f of f inverse of x, or we can say that f composition f inverse equal to f of f inverse of x is given by 1 by 2x, and f of x is equal to 2x. So here we will replace in f of x x by 1 by 2x, and we get 2 into replacing x by 1 by 2x, we get 1 by 2x. This 2 will be cancelled out by this one, and we are left with x. So we can say that f inverse of x is inverse of f. That is 1 by 2x is inverse of 2x. Here we have shown that 1 by 2x is inverse of 2x. Let's check whether 2x is inverse of 1 by 2x or not. For this we will check f inverse of f of x, and it is equal to f inverse replacing f of x by its value, that is 2x, equal to f inverse of x is 1 by 2x, so f inverse of 2x will be 1 by 2, and we will replace x by 2x, and we get 1 by 2 into 2x. This 2 will be cancelled out by this one, and we are left with x. Here we have shown that f inverse of f of x is equal to x, which implies f of x is equal to 2x is inverse of f inverse of x equal to 1 by 2x. So here both functions are inverses of each other. Now consider the part B. To show that x raised to power 1 by 3 is inverse of x cube, we will show that f of f inverse of x is equal to x, and f of f inverse of x is equal to f of replacing f inverse of x by its value, that is x raised to power 1 by 3. F of x is equal to x cube, so f of x raised to power 1 by 3 will be equal to replacing x by x raised to power 1 by 3, and we get x raised to power 1 by 3 whole power 3. This 3 will be cancelled out by this one, and we are left with x. So here we have shown that f of f inverse of x is equal to x, which implies that f inverse of x is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3 is inverse of f of x equal to x cube. Here we have shown that x raised to power 1 by 3 is inverse of x cube. Now we will check whether x cube is inverse of x raised to power 1 by 3 or not. For this we will consider f inverse of f of x, which is equal to f inverse replacing f of x by its value, that is x cube, equal to f inverse of x is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. So f inverse of x cube will be replacing x by x cube. We get x cube raised to power 1 by 3. This 3 will be cancelled out by this one and we are left with x. From here we can say that f of x equal to x cube is inverse of f inverse of x equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. Whenever we take composition of two functions, for example, if two functions are f and g and it is equal to x, when we take composition and it is equal to x, then we say that the inner function is inverse of the outer functions. Here we have used the same concept which we have also discussed in one of the previous videos that was related to inverse function.